Hare Krishna students. Studying with a good character teacher helps students develop good character. Studying with confident teacher helps students gain confidence. Studying with a competent teacher helps students become competent. I, Deepak Kabra, at Krishna Academy, we have trained thousands of students and changed their lives for better. I have tried my best that students develop good character, students gain confidence, and students become competent. So please, students, select with whom you want to study. Okay, so let's begin our today's class. So today we are going to see trigonometry tricks to prove that questions. So students, I have divided this prove that question in 5 types. So what are the 5 types? Type 1, you can see type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5. Okay, so type 1, like in this video I am going to show you all these types: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, all these types of all NCERT questions. Prove that question. NCERT questions, we are going to complete all NCERT questions including examples by dividing into these 5 types. So please watch till end, and I'm sure that any question comes from prove that question you will surely attend. So please watch till end without missing. So type 1 is use of trigonometric identities. I will show you how to use and what are the sums on this, how the sums will come. And type 2 is convert that question, prove that question in sin theta or cos theta. If already in sin or cos theta, then make denominator same, students. Okay. So these are type 2. Type 3, conjugate, student. Conjugate means if you see 1 plus sin theta in the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 minus sin theta. And if you see 1 minus sin theta in denominator, multiply with 1 plus sin theta and divide with 1 plus sin theta. If you see this, do it this conjugate in the same way for 1 plus cos theta. Type 4, any term will be the like trigonometry, any term power 4, we will make it as 2 2s are in a term square whole square. Like this question are not there in NCERT textbook, but when we will see the previous year questions, that time we will solve this. Term power 6, if you see, you will make it, will break it as term square whole cube and eliminate theta. These questions are very important and higher order thinking skills questions. So on this, few questions are there in the reader. Means eliminate theta means answer you will not get in theta, no trigonometric ratio. Answer you will get 1, 3 in x and y, but not theta. So eliminate theta. And type 5 is we need to solve LHS and RHS separately, students, and we need to show LHS equal to RHS. These are the 5 types. And to do these 5 types, what all we need? First, we should know about trigonometric identities. Okay, sir. So what are trigonometric identities? You can see here on the screen. Yes. Can you see? I hope yes, you can see. 1 minute. Yeah. Down one, are you not able to see? Fine. I'll just read it out for you. Fine. So first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is very important identity, student. This one, and from this you can derive 2 more this formula, like which will be very useful while doing the sum. How, student? Sin square theta is equal to plus cos square theta, it will come this side, it will become minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And if you want cos square theta plus sin square theta will come that side, right hand side. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, sir, this identity we got it. Next one is, this is the main identity. This is the identity actually given in the question textbook. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. if we make this plus tan square theta come this side, it will become secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And in this, if we want sometime only tan square theta, this minus tan square theta will come on right hand side, it will become secant square theta minus 1. Okay sir. And cosecant, so another identity is last identity, third identity is this: cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And if cot square theta come on left hand side, it will become cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And if you want only cot square theta, student, so this plus 1 will come left hand side, it will become cosecant square theta minus 1. Yeah, last identity, cot square theta is equal to, means not identity are only 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. But from this we can derive this also. When we want cot square theta, this we can derive cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, so I'll just make little up so that I think in video you are not able to see. 1 minute. Yeah, yes. So cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. You can take the screenshot. Apart from this trigonometric identities, we need some more formulas to solve prove that sum. So these 3 identities which I have showed you, this is the one, this is the one, this is second, this is third. And what else? We need to know this also, student. What, sir? Sir, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. And sin theta we can write as tan theta by secant theta. I have explained in my previous video. You can watch that. Okay, na? Yeah. Cos theta we can write as 1 by secant theta. And cot theta by cosecant theta. Tan theta as 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta. Cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta. Secant theta as 1 by cos theta. Cot theta as 1 by tan theta or 1 by tan theta or cos theta by sin theta as cot theta. Okay, na? So these are the formulas which you need to know. While doing the sum, I'll explain how to use and way to use. So type 5, I have divided trigonometry prove that questions in 5 types. So first type we'll see, student, in NCERT textbook, which all questions comes in type 1 using trigonometric identities. Chalo, let's begin. Yes, type 1, you can see on the screen there are 6 questions. So of reader, including example and exercise sums. Express the ratio of cos A, tan A and secant A in terms of sin A. So we'll read one by one and we'll solve it. So express this. So we'll start doing this first one. Okay sir, chalo start karte hain. So let's begin our first class, means first sum solution. How to use, means how to solve this in type 1 using trigonometric identities. So student, you should see, you want cos A, tan A, secant A in terms of what? Sin A. If you want in terms of sin A, use sin A wala identity. What is sin A wala identity? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Start with this. And now we want cos A in terms of sin A. तो cos A यहाँ है, तो cos A को subject बनाएंगे and you get the answer C. So cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A went on right hand side. Sin square A, if it goes on right hand side, plus sin square A, it will become minus sin square A. And then cos A is equal to square वहाँ गया right hand side, it will become root. So 1 minus sin square A. So cos A you got as root of 1 minus sin square A. Okay student, cos A you got expressed in terms of sin A. Yes. Now you want tan A also in terms of sin A. Okay. What is tan A formula, student? Sin A by cos A. Yes sir, sin A by cos A. So cos A you just now got as, sin A you got as cos A you got as 1 minus sin square A. हो गया student. So tan A you got in terms of sin A. Yes. So tan A is sin A by cos A. Sin A we wrote as it is. Cos A just now we got as root 1 minus sin square A. So we got cos A की जगह पे लिखे यानी tan A की वैल्यू we got it in terms of sinA. Now we want secant A in terms of sinA. Okay, sir, secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Okay, sir. And now student, cos A to just now we got root of 1 minus sin square A. So secant A also expressed in terms of sin A. So this was a question using trigonometric identity. We solved this first question. I hope you understood this. Now, the second question, what is that? We'll read. Write all trigonometric ratios, other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So all other means secant A को नहीं बोल रहा, because secant A तो already secant A में रहेगा, means other 5 sine, cos, tan, cot and cosecant you need to express in terms of secant A. So please try this as homework, student. Okay now. Similar way, one more sum is there, fifth sum. This one we will do it. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, tan A in terms of cot A. In terms of cot A. So cot A wala identity will use. So we shall see this fifth question first. Yes, 1 minute. Let us start fifth question. So what is the cot A wala identity? Cot square A is equal to, yes, cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay, sir, this is the identity we want in terms of cot A. Okay, sir, we will get. So what is cosecant A, student? एक बार लिख के रखो. What is cosecant A? Is root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay, sir. But he did not ask to express cosecant A in terms of cot A. He asked sin A. Okay, we'll start with sin A. So sin A you can write as, student, 1 by cosecant A. Yes, sir, we can write. And 1 by cosecant A means 1 by root 1 plus cot square A. You got it. Sin A you got in terms of cot A. Now secant A. Secant A is 1 by cos A. Okay, sir. Secant A is 1 by cos A. But 1 by cos A नहीं, we want in terms of cot A. तो क्या करेंगे, sir? There is one more identity. We can use that and change into cot A. So what is that identity? So we will not use this one. So what is that identity? Secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, sir. अब secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A we can write as 1 by cot square A. And now we can take LCM on right hand side. Secant square A is equal to cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Yes, sir. And secant square A का ये वाला square will go right hand side, it will become root. So क्या बनेगा? Secant A is equal to root, ऊपर और नीचे रूट अलग कर दो स्टूडेंट, 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए, एंड डिनोमिनेटर में रूट डालेंगे तो स्क्वायर निकल जाएगा, तो कॉट ए. यू गॉट सेकेंड ए इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉट ए. यस सर, साइन ए आ गया, सेकेंड ए आ गया. अब क्या पूछा और एक tan ए इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉट ए, दैट इज तो वन स्टेप. tan ए को कॉट ए में लिखना तो क्या यार, 1 by cot A. tan A you got as 1 by cot A. So what all we got? These three. Secant A you got in terms of cot A, tan A you got in terms of cot A, and sin A you got in terms of cot A. We use two identities to solve this. Okay, if you know any other way also you can do, but I am explaining you the easiest way which you can do it. So please just you need to practice. You please practice, and you will remember in exam, and you will get full on full. Okay. So we have seen this, how to use trigonometric identities. We have seen two sums. Okay. Now, so second I have given as homework, student. Second sum I have given as homework. Okay. Now third and fourth. So fourth will be your homework because third and fourth are same, student. So third one I'll explain how to do using identity, trigonometry identity. Okay, sir. Chalo, we shall see the third sum. So this is the third sum. Solution. In 4 to 5 steps we'll finish this sum, sir. Only 4 to 5 steps. Please see. First copy LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, sir. I copied the question. This, don't count this as step. Now we are going to do 4 to 5 steps. Okay, na? Okay, sir. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. सर cos थीटा क्यों क्लिक हुआ सर? देखो, वी वांट आंसर इन सीकेंट एंड टेन. अगर मैं cos थीटा से डिवाइड करूं, सर इसको डिवाइड करने के अलावा कुछ और नहीं है, नहीं, ऑलरेडी साइन और cos में है, एंड वी हैव टू यूज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आइडेंटिटी, और इसको सीकेंट और टेन में बनाना है. सो वी नीड टू मेक दिस इनटू, कन्वर्ट इनटू सीकेंट एंड टेन आंसर. सो सीकेंट और टेन में बनाना, डिवाइड बाय cos थीटा इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विथ ईच टर्म. Each term means sin theta by cos theta by cos theta, 1 by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta, 1. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, student, see. Divide both numerator and denominator with cos theta. Okay. तो अब स्टूडेंट डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा बोलो? साइन बाई कॉस इज टेन, कॉस थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा इज 1, 1 बाई कॉस इज सेकेंड थीटा, साइन बाई कॉस इज टेन थीटा, प्लस कॉस थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा इज 1, 1 बाई कॉस थीटा इज सेकेंड थीटा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. First step we did this. Okay, sir. Now student, you see the answer what you want. Is it in denominator or numerator? Sometimes he will ask this answer also, secant theta plus tan theta. You need to prove. Instead of this, he will ask you this answer. Then what to do? Starting is same. Now what I am going to do, you see. If you want answer in denominator, change one value here. If you want answer in numerator, change one value here. Set. हो गया. See, second step, what I am going to do, see. So numerator don't change till last, it is going to get cancelled. Same, you write, go on writing same. Okay, denominator में what will do? Tan theta minus secant theta will write side by side and plus 1 in the corner. So tan theta minus secant theta plus, in place of 1, student, in place of 1, I will underline so you will remember. In place of 1, we are going to write the formula identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. We use this identity in place of 1. Okay, sir, this is the second step. Okay, next step, student, you need to take minus 1 common from this. If I take minus 1 common from this, then secant theta will become positive and tan theta will become negative. See, this is third step, student. Tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta by, you take minus common, secant theta minus means minus 1 common you can take, secant theta minus tan theta plus Student, now you see, very important, a square minus b square formula. This again formula, student, this which I am underlining, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. Okay, sir. Okay, now if you see, this is one term, this is one term, in middle there is a plus. So from this both term we can take secant theta minus tan theta common, because both side it is there, we can take common. Yes, as soon as you take the common you'll get the answer. Numerator same लिखना है sir, is equal to tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta divided by what I am taking common, secant theta minus tan theta I am taking common. Okay student, if you take common, यहाँ पे साइन है ना, बहुत जने प्लस लगा रहे हैं, नहीं, नो, when you take common you have to open the bracket. Okay, I have taken common, so it is into, क्या बचा, if I take this as common, what is left, minus 1 is left. In this term, if I take this as common, what is left, plus secant theta plus tan theta is left. Okay, so what is left, minus 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. I'll explain once again. See what is left. If I take this common, minus 1 is left, and if I take this common, then secant theta plus tan theta is left. Okay, I have written. Now you see student, this and this numerator both are same. Yes, minus 1 plus secant theta plus secant theta plus tan theta plus tan theta. So you can cancel not one term. No, it is wrong, because it is in addition and subtraction. You cannot cancel one term all at a time. This and this get cancelled, and this is the answer, 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. So sorry. Okay, so now I'll cancel this and this same. So what will be the answer, is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This was the answer. How many steps we did, you see, 4 steps. See, I'll explain. This was the question, this was the answer. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 steps. This is, see, question, you leave it, 1 2 3 4, 4 steps we did this sum, student. So I'll explain once again. So divide both numerator and denominator with cos theta, so we'll get this. And now tan theta minus secant theta you should write side by side, and this plus 1 you should write in the corner, and in place of plus 1 you write the identity. Next step, take minus 1 common from this both I took, and write this as a plus b into a minus b I wrote. Then secant theta minus tan theta you take common I took. So what is left in into, minus 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. This both numerator and denominator same got cancelled. This is the answer left in denominator. So 1 by secant theta minus tan theta is left. So easy. So now see. So third sum we did just now. Same, similar is fourth one, which you need to do. Same, divide both numerator and denominator with sinA. Because we want answer in cosecant and cot, and you want the answer in numerator, so change 1 in place of numerator, denominator right, go on writing same after converting into cosecant and cot. Divide by, if you do na, sinA, cosA by sinA is cotA, sinA by sinA is 1 by sinA is cosecant A. After converting into cot and cosecant, change one value in the numerator, means wherever 1 will be there in the numerator, and denominator don't need to change, it is going to get cancelled, and you will get this answer. Very easy, you please try. So fifth we already did. Sixth sum, it is also based on identity. See, we will do the sixth sum. Solution. So 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A, you want this answer as tan square A. Very easy. It is in choose the correct answer also in your reader. So 1 plus tan square A is, student, secant square A identity. That's why I wrote this sum in the identity part. 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. Okay, sir. And next, student, secant square A, secant square A by cosecant square A is tan square A. Sir, how, sir? Secant square A is 1 by cos square A and cosecant square A is 1 by sin square A. So sin square A by cos square A, you will get tan square A. You can directly write tan square A. Secant by cosecant is tan square A. Okay, so this one you got it. This is actually type 2. We need to convert into sin and cos, but it is in this question only. So I wrote it here. So we'll convert into sin and cos and we'll get the answer. See. So 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Convert into sin and cos. 1 minus sin A by cos A by 1 minus cos A by sin A whole square is equal to, if you take LCM, student, what you will get? What is the LCM? Sorry. Cos A will go here. Cos A minus sin A whole square. Yes. So cos A minus sin A whole by cos A. If you take LCM, denominator में sin A minus cos A by sin A whole square. तो सबको होल स्क्वायर है ना स्टूडेंट. आई विल टेक दिस एज लिटिल ऊपर लेता हूँ, नीचे पार्ट आई थिंक नॉट विजिबल. यस, थोड़ा और ऊपर. Yeah, so what I have done, I have taken LCM. cos A यहाँ गया by cos A, sin A आ गया, ऐसे सबको स्क्वायर है स्टूडेंट. एक एक को, इसको भी स्क्वायर है, तो ये cos स्क्वायर है, इसको भी, सबका स्क्वायर अलग. आई एम डूइंग इट सेपरेट. sin स्क्वायर है स्टूडेंट. cos A minus sin A subtract if you do, and if you do whole square, and sin A minus cos A if you subtract, if you get sign difference also, but it is whole square, so the both are same, we can cancel both numerator. So क्या होगा देखो, both numerator get cancelled, and now what is left? Same, 1 by cos square A by 1 by sin square A. तो क्या होगा, this sin square A will come in numerator, तो बनेगा sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. So answer is, you can write directly tan square A. Yeah, you can write directly. So how many steps we did? So this was the question. We convert into sin and cos, and we took LCM, और स्क्वायर था, चारों को स्क्वायर अलग कर दिया, ऊपर, here and second and everywhere. Numerator got cancelled, and now 1 by cos square A by 1 by sin square A. This sin square A will go in numerator, so sin square A by cos square A you will get tan square A. So these 6 sums are of NCERT textbook, including examples we are solving, and I have divided into 5 types, and we have done in this video first type, and we have seen 6 questions. From that I have given 2 questions as homework. Please do that 2 sums, and I hope you enjoyed doing these sums with me. How to use trigonometric identities and solve. This part was not of using trigonometric identity, it was converting into sin and cos type 2, but it was in this question only, so we used, because first part was using trigonometric identity, second part was using means converting into sine and cos. We converted na tan ko sine and cos, cot ko cos and sine. So but we have done it here. So I hope you enjoyed my class. So subscribe my channel and keep learning. Thank you.